Hey guys, so I decided na mag-snorkeling na today para if ever lang na mag-song ko siya, mapag-snorkel pa ako tomorrow. So, I'm just wearing this swimsuit from Speedo and then yung shirt ko kahapon just to cover up. And yeah, magre-reapply lang ako ng sunscreen sa face. Ay, nasa pouch ko na pala. Dadaling ko lang tong isang pouch ko para lagay ng mga gamit. Let's go. Dala ba ako ng shades? Medyo overcast pero sige, magdala tayo ng shades. Baka magbago ang lagay ng panahon. Okay, let's go guys. Alam nyo, ano na-realize ko? Na matagal na sa akin sinasabi ito ng friend ko na kailangan bilhin ko. At hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin binibili. Power bank. So, because I'm just mainly using my phone to vlog, to take pictures kasi obviously it's easier. Ang bilis malobat ng phone ko and wala akong dalang power bank because wala akong power bank. Life. Yan, so dito yung meetup guys. Hanap lang tayo ng mapaparkingan. So, mag-design tayo sa snorkeling guys. Excited na ako. I think it's here. And guys, we're boarding na. So, mag-snorkeling kami. Medyo mahangin, pero sabi naman nila kuya, we'll see kung pwede. And dito tayo sa boat na ito sasakay. I'm so excited. Sana maganda na ito. Thank you. Thank you.
Golden batfish.
Guys, do you see kung gaano ka-clear yung tubig? Oh my gosh, nakita niyo ba yung mga fishes? Oh my God. So guys, mag-snorkel na ako. So guys, kakatapos lang namin mag-snorkel dito sa first stop. May isa pang stop kung nasan yung mga turtles. And actually, ang tagal kong hindi nag-snorkel. Parang 5 to 7 years ago pa yung last. So, sobrang na-enjoy ko siya and I'm so glad that I did this today. guys, we're done with the snorkeling. Mga 90 minutes total siguro yun. And ang laki ng turtle. Nakakatawa. Kaya ang bilis yan lumangoy. Sabi ni kuya, mga 100 years old na rin yun. So, ka-enjoy din. So guys, bago ako maligo and prep for lunch, I figured mag-beach muna ako dito sa parang access ko to the private beach. So, excited. Ito siya guys. So, galing ako doon banda yung paakyat sa kasita ko, and then eto. Alam niyo guys, nakapag snorkel naman ako dati, pero ngayon ko siya fully talaga like na-enjoy. Sobrang saya ko na makita yung mga fishes, and then syempre the turtle. Yeah. So this is my access to the private beach. So guys, kakabalik ko lang dito sa kasita. And kanina sa beach, meron ako actually nakitang sachet ng shampoo. And I like what Amanpulo is doing. Kasi meron silang parang sack. And you can use this if you wanna do your own peace activity. Meron siya, wait lang. So, dyan ilalagay yung mga napulot mo sa dagat or sa shore. Ito siya. Ayan, so you can use this bag para like if you wanna do your own cleanup. Maganda siya. So later, parang feel kong siguro mga hapon, I'll walk sa beach and then use this sack. Yan. But for now, let's get ready for lunch. And actually, so naglinis nga dito, no? Nag-housekeeping sa room, and merong letter. I think these are the activities today, June 24th. So, may yin yoga kaninang umaga, table tennis, pero hindi ko na yun nagawa kasi snorkeling ako. And then later at 2 p.m. merong coconut leaf art at the Amanpulo Library. So I think this is complimentary. That's from 2 to 3. So after ko mag-lunch, I'll probably visit this. And then merienda at the library 3 to 4. Tapos 4 to 4:45, merong foam rolling at Aman Spa. So I guess that's also complimentary. Ay, oo. Oo, kasi I remember. Nakasulat yan dito na merong Mayo facial release. So let's do that later. Okay, ligo muna ako. Hi guys. So it is lunchtime. It's past 12. And pupunta ako sa, wait lang. We're gonna go to the beach club kasi doon ako naka-reserve ng lunch. And then after noon, 2 p.m. yun nga yung coconut leaf art something sa may library. And then doon din naman yung merienda. So 3 to 4 yun. Yeah, alam mo, let me bring my charger, no? Kasi for some reason, ang bilis malubat ng phone ko. I actually not for some reason, sorry. Yeah. Ayan. So, I'm gonna bring my charger kasi I think hanggang ano na ako. 6 p.m. Hindi naman, wag akong OA, no? Later pa ako. So, dadalhin ko na lang yung charger ko para sigurado. And then, let's eat. Let's have lunch. So, nagpalit ako guys ng bag. Ito na lang pouch yung dadalhin ko. Kasi mas malaki siya and mas marami akong malalagay. And dito tayo magla-lunch guys sa Beach Club.
Squid ink, tapos Carasaw.
Ano to?
Carasaw daw ang tawag dito.
Ah, okay. Thank you. And then, ano yun? Ah, okay.
Squid ink po yan, tapos squid ink.
Ah, okay. Thank you. And this is my lunch guys. So this is bisugo and chips with tartar sauce, and then yung complimentary na bread, nakagatan ko na yan. And yeah, let's eat. So guys, I was just driving around kasi I still have mga 30 minutes for the 2 PM activity, and I was just following the signs kasi gusto kong puntahan yung dive shop, and wala lang, gusto ko lang tingnan. And then look at this. Wow. Just wow. Oh, look at this. No one's here. Oh my gosh. So, this is the dive shop. Ito yung pinuntahan ko. Talaga. Pero, this is one of the tennis courts. Hindi naman ako magti-tennis guys. So, kaya lang natin. Ano lang natin. Sa Aman Polo Library, and mag-join na ako ng coconut leaf art na I don't know if it's a class. So So guys, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. O diba, ang cute. Para nakalutang yung turtle. Ang galing ni ate. Si ate Maricel. Ang galing. Ang galing. Hindi na silang tatlo. Nice. Guys, ito na yung ginawa ni Ate Maricel. Naka-display na siya. Ang galing. Merienda tayo. Yan. So, I'm waiting for the club service. So, someone that will pick me up here. So, let's just wait. Ayan na yata siya. So guys, nalaki yung sarili ko sa room. Nag-email na ako. So hopefully may dumating na tulong. Hey guys, it is now Sunday, 2:45 AM and it's my last day here in Amanpulo. And I was just actually cleaning my things kasi aga ko natulog, parang mga 5 PM. Di na ako nakapag-dinner sa sobrang antok. So I'm just fixing my things kasi para mamaya tuloy-tuloy na ako. I have a guaranteed late checkout. So 4 PM pa naman ako mag-check out. My flight going back to Manila is at 6 PM. So inaayos ko na yung mga gamit ko. And then suddenly may nakita akong papel dito. Ayan, eto. So, may letter. Siguro dinala nila ito kagabi. Kasi nung dumating ako, wala pa naman to. And then, a gift. So, let's see kung ano to. So, the gift is, it looks like a bag tag. So, mga siyang bag tag. Napaka-sweet naman ng Amanpulo. Yes, it's a bag tag. Yan, nakasulat Amanpulo. And then, it has my name. And then this is a letter. So, it's a letter from Amanpulo also. So, we hope you had a wonderful stay with your Amanpulo family. We wish you a safe travel going home and we look forward to welcoming you back again soon. Thank you, Amanpulo. It has been an amazing vacation. Hi guys, good morning. It is Sunday and it is my last full day here in Amanpulo. So it is mga 4 AM and maaga ko nagising, mga I think na-mention ko na kanina 2:30. Gising na ako kasi 5:30 or 5 PM tulog na ako. Hindi na ako nakapag-dinner kagabi actually. So I'm just prepping for the day. Ano bang gagawin ko ngayon? So breakfast at 6:30, pero I wanna get out at 5:30 and explore the island a little bit more. Iniisip ko kung bathing suit na ako. Kasi parang gusto kong mag-swimming pa dun sa may lagoon, parang sa may ano yun? Lagoon Club area, parang maganda rin dun. And gusto kong puntahan ulit yung nakita kong spot kahapon, dun sa may parang dive shop area. Meron din parang place doon na magandang pag-swimmingan. So I wanna do that. Tapos after is siguro I'll give my time mga 1 to 2 hours to swim pa. Kasi gusto ko rin mag-swimming sa pool. Hindi pa ako nakapag-swimming sa pool, no? And then after, I'll be back before lunchtime. Tapos, ligo, ganyan. And then clean up para tas labas ulit. So, I wanna explore pa ulit. And take some pictures, yung mga ganyan. Tapos before we head home. So guys, I'm still thinking if mag snorkeling pa ako, pero so after ko kumain ng breakfast, nakita ko tong grotto. May nakita akong sign going to the grottos. Oh, ang ganda, ang lamig. So guys, ito na yung grotto. Oh wow. Wow. Yes, wow.
This one is a male turtle. How can we determine? Because of the tail. Look at the tail, it's long.
Oh, that's really big.
Yeah, if you saw
Look
turtles,
how fast he is, Haley. Do you see him?
Wow.
Who said turtles were slow? Get in, Riff.
You want to go in?
Okay. Okay.
I wasn't big enough of you.
Hey guys, it's almost 4 p.m. and I'm about to check out. Pero syempre, before I end my Amanpulo vlog, kailangan natin itong gawin. At kailangan natin itong tikman. The famous Amanpulo turon. Yay!